A very good morning to all of you. Today we will continue the chapter Patterns and Symmetry. It is chapter number 14, page number 213, the exercise Do and Learn, and we have to do question number 2. So let's see. The second question is complete the following subtraction pattern. So in the first question, 9 minus 6, it is 3. Then 12 minus 6, it is equal to 6. So we can see that in this pattern, we add 3 in this number. We add 3, so it is 9 to 12, then 12 to 15, then add 3, so 18, then 21. So, and the result is also by adding 3, means when we add 3, we got 6. So in this pattern, we have to add 3 in this first number and same add 3 in the answer. So when we subtract it, 15 minus 6, it is equal to 9. Means we can see that when we add 3, we got the next terms. So when we add 3, we got 12, and 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Then when we add 3 in this, we got 15, and obviously 21 minus 6, it is equal to 15. Okay, I hope you understand this. Then the next part is part B, in which 19 minus 30, it is equal to 60. Then we subtract 1 from this first term, as we saw in this example. We subtract 1 from both subtrahend and minor hand. This is known as subtrahend and this is minor hand. So we subtract 1 from both of the numbers. Same here, we subtract 1 from both of the numbers, subtrahend and minor hand. So we got the same number 60. Then same, when we add 1 from 89 and 1 from 29, we got 88 and 28. And when we subtract it, we got 60. Same, when we subtract 1 from 88, so we got 87. And when we subtract 1 from 28, we got 27. And its difference of 87 and 27 is 60. Then we subtract 1 from 27, we got 26. So now we have to subtract 1 from 87. So we got 86. And the difference between 86 and 26 is equal to 60. So it's very easy to solve. Okay. Then the next question is question number 3. Observe and complete the multiplication patterns. Now that's the turn of multiplication pattern. So first 1 multiply 1, it is equal to 1. Then 11 by 11 multiply 11 multiplied by 11 is equal to 121. Then you can solve easily 11 by 11. So we got 121. Then when we multiply 111 means 111 into 111. So we got 12321. Means we can see that when we increase number of ones, means यहाँ पे क्या था, single one था, then double one, then triple one, then 4 times 1, then 5 times 1. So when we increase the number of ones, we got the pattern like 1, 1 to 1, 1 2 3 2 1. Then the next one is 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. So we got the answer 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Okay, and then same type of pattern. The next is 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Means how many 1 are there? 4. So we go up to 4 and then reverse 3 to 1. Same as when we have 5 1, so we go up to 5 and then reverse 4 3 2 1. Then the next term is question number part B of question number 3, in which when we multiply 101. So we can write it as 1 multiply 100 plus 1, because 1 multiply 100 means 100 and then plus 1. So we got 100 1 means 101 multiply 1 equal to 101. Same when we multiply 2 by 101, so we can write it as 2 multiply 100 plus 2. अब इसको हम ऐसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं? तो यहाँ पे देखिए, इसको जब हम ब्रीफली सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या लिख सकते हैं? देखो 101 का तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ईजी है, वी गॉट 101, बट व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 2 बाय 101, सो इसको यदि हमें इजी सॉल्व करना है, ये आंसर हम इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं वैसे कि क्या आएगा 202, बट इसका यदि हम पैटर्न देखेंगे सो वी कैन सॉल्व 2 बाय 100, क्योंकि 100 को हम किसी भी चीज़ से मल्टीप्लाई इजीली कर सकते हैं, एंड देन वी ऐड 2, क्योंकि 2 ही एक्स्ट्रा है 100 में, वैसे तो 1 एक्स्ट्रा है, लेकिन जब वो हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 ऐड हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन राइट इट एज 2 multiply 100 plus 2, and we got 202 because 200 plus 2. Then same we write it as 303 because 300 plus 3 equal to 303. Then 404, then 505. So it's easy to solve when we convert it in terms of 100. Okay. The next question is question number 4. Observe the following division patterns and fill in the blanks. So first part is part A, in which 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. जब भी हम किसी चीज़ को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्या आता है आंसर 1. इट्स ईजी. बट when we divide 120 by 12 we got 10. So we can see that when we increase 0 here, means the first term, we have to increase 0 in the answer. So we easily solve this pattern, means here 12, then 120, then 1200. So we got 100 because we also increase 0 here. Then next term is 1, 2 and 000. So we got 1000. Then when we write 0 4 times, so we got 10,000, means 1 and then 4 zeros. So it's also a very easy question. Then the same pattern shown here, but in decreasing order. In this pattern we decreases or we हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ज़ीरोस कम कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे थे, ज़ीरोस, नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोस इंक्रीज़ कर रहे थे, बट यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोस डिक्रीज़ कर रहे हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर आर 5 zeros here and 5 zeros there. Then 4, so 4, 3, so we can write 4 with 3 zeros. Then 800 divided by 2, 400, or we can write 4 with 2 zeros. And last 40, means we decreases number of 0 this side, means left hand side as well as right hand side. So the number of zeros are same in both of the sides. So I hope you understood all this question and do your work in fair copy. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you class.